Mmm, egg masala curry. It looks so yummy. Eggs are a good source of protein, and I always try to make nice recipes using eggs. Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very nice recipe which can be a side dish in your lunch menu or dinner menu. That is egg masala curry. So let's get started and see the recipe. So for the egg masala curry, first I'm going to boil the eggs. So take the pan and add enough water to it. Make sure that there is enough water so that the eggs are completely immersed in the water. So you can add little bit salt to it if you want, completely optional. Now I'm going to drop gently eggs in the water to avoid the cracking of it. Make sure that eggs are room temperature eggs, and I'm using 6 eggs in the recipe. So boil the eggs for 15 minutes on medium flame. After 15 minutes, remove the eggs from the water and place it in a plate to cool down. Now, I have this big bowl and I'm going to add all the boiled eggs in it. So first, I'll take one egg and slide it on all around. Just do the gentle slide, not too deep. It's just to get the masala inside the egg for the flavor. Now add the turmeric powder, half teaspoon, now red chilli powder, half teaspoon, now I'm going to add salt, half teaspoon, half to 1 teaspoon is fine, and mix it to coat the eggs and then put aside for a few minutes. Now I have another bowl and I'm going to add yogurt or curd, 5 tablespoons in it. Now add turmeric powder, half teaspoon, red chilli powder, half teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, now garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon is fine. Now add salt, half teaspoon. Now mix all the ingredients together nicely. Now leave it for few minutes. So next step is to roast the eggs. So now take a pan and cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons in it. And now place the eggs in the pan. Fry the eggs on low heat for around 2 to 3 minutes till golden brown. After a few minutes, the eggs are roasted, and take them out from the pan and put them in a plate. Next step, I'm using the same pan with the same oil. So now add the cumin seeds or zira, 1 teaspoon. Once it splutters, add the chopped green chilies and give a good mix. Now add chopped onions. So I've taken 1 cup of onion. Now saute the onions till the light brown color. So we need to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes to make it a light brown color. After 8 minutes, see the color. It looks nice. Now we're going to add ginger garlic paste. 1 to 2 teaspoons is fine. Add garlic also paste 2 teaspoons. And give a good mix and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the tomato puree. So I've taken 1 cup of puree, which is almost 2 tomatoes. So mix it really well and cook it on medium to low heat for around 4 minutes. If you want, you can add a little bit of water in it. A splash of water. Look at that, the color. It's really nice. Now lower the heat and add the curd or yogurt spice mix which we prepared earlier and mix it really well. Continue to stir and cook it on low heat for around 3 minutes. Now add some water around 3/4 cup and bring it to a boil and cook on low heat for 5 minutes till the gravy is cooked nicely. Look at that. Now add the roasted Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves as per your taste. It's really nice, it gives a good flavor to it. And give a good mix. And you can cook it for another 3 minutes or 2 minutes is fine. Wow, look at that. The masala is really cooked well. And see, the oil is on the top. So it means it separates from the gravy. It means the gravy is cooked nicely. So now add the roasted eggs very gently. And cover it and mix it. Yeah, like that. Look at that. The restaurant style or Dhaba style egg masala curry is ready. Looks really delicious. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. Egg masala curry is ready. Happy eating. Enjoy. So here we go. There is a delicious egg curry masala is ready. You can serve this with puri, roti and some rice on the side. So friends, if you like this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye and see you next time with more yummy recipes. Bye bye.